Hi guys, thank you for purchasing the AI Teachify software. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple navigation and features of the Teachify site builder. The main purpose of this tool is to help you build an e-learning website while giving you full control over it. Getting started after successfully registering, log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Dashboard overview. On the dashboard, you'll find all the important details of your account, such as testimonials, courses, instructors, blog categories, blogs, advertisements, coupons. Additionally, you can check your current package and its expiry time. Navigating the left menu panel. On the left side menu panel, you'll see a wide range of options essential for creating your site. In the menu builder, you can add or remove buttons from your site's menu, such as Home Courses Instructors, Blog FAQ Contact. To add a new tab or menu, use the Add-Edit menu option in the center. Simply enter the details and click Add to update your menu. If you need to rearrange the menu order, you can drag and place the items using the Website Menus option. Course Management. The Course Management section allows you to add and manage courses effortlessly. Similarly, each dedicated section in the menu helps you easily create and manage your e-learning website without complications. Domain and profile settings. In the Domains and URL section, you can add and use your own custom domain. You also have the option to edit your profile details, including your name, profile picture, and password. Additional features: dark light mode. You can switch between dark and light mode with just one click. Live preview. This is one of the main highlights. You can instantly preview your site by clicking on the eye icon next to the theme change icons. Account activation, deactivation. If you want to set your account to inactive, simply turn it off and you can switch it back on at any time. And that's it. This was a simple walkthrough of the Teachify site builder. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest features and upcoming product launches. Thanks for watching.